WAEC 2024 on the topic set theory. It says, given that P equals to P such that P is greater than 1 but less than 20, where P is an integer, and R equals to R such that R is greater than or equals to 0 but less than or equals to 25, where R is a multiple of 4. Find P intersection R. So that's from set theory. So the first thing we're going to do is, if you can do this, you try it and see what the answer will be. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to list out the elements of P, list out the elements of R from the description they've given us in the bracket. So for the elements of P equals to, now the description says that P is a number that ranges between 1 and 20, but 1 is not included, 20 is not included, because they say from here P is greater than 1 and P is also less than 20. So that means that, and they say where P is an integer, that means they are looking for numbers that are not decimal numbers, numbers without decimal points. That's what we mean by an integer. For instance, if you have 2.4, this 2 here is the integer or the whole number. So, but if you say they want an integer, that means they want a number without a decimal. They want a number without a decimal part. Okay. So let's list this thing of P. P will start from 2 because 1 is not among. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And normally I would have done ... comma and stopped at 19. But for clarity's sake, I'm going to list out all the elements. I'm going to list out all the elements: 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. 20 is not involved because 20, they say it's less than 20. So I've listed out the elements of P. So now let me list out the elements of R. Elements of R, from the description, they say R such that R is greater than or equals to 0. Greater than or equals to 0. That means 0 is included. But less than or equals to 25. That means 25 is included. So that means we will have 0. And then, and they say where R is a multiple of 4. Where R is what? A multiple of 4. So, what is a multiple? A multiple is a number that is a number of times greater than another number. Take for instance, if you say multiples of 4, means after 4 is a multiple of itself. After 4, the next multiple of 4 is 8. Because 8 is 2 times of 4. The next multiple of 4 is 12. Multiple of 4 is 16, 20. Take for instance, if you say multiple of 3 is a multiple of itself. The next one will be 6. The next one will be 9. The next multiple of 3 will be 12. So that's what we mean. So when they say multiple of 4, R must be a multiple of 4. So between the number 0 to 25, let's list out the multiples of 4. So 1 is not, 2 is not, 3 is not. So 4 is a multiple of itself. 5 is not, 6 is not, 7, 8, 12, 16, The next multiple of 4 is 20. The next multiple of 4 is 24. Yes, 24. The next multiple of 4 is 28, but they said equals to or less than 25. So we stop at 24. So these are the elements of R. Now they say we should find P intersection R. Intersection means the elements that are common to both sets. That's the element you will find in P and also find in what? R. So what are the common elements? 4 is the first common element. 8 is the second common element. 12 is the second common element. 16. 20 is not here. 20 is not in element P. So 24 is not there. So these are the only common elements. So P intersection R equals to 4, 8, 12, 16. 4, 8, 12, 16. Option B is correct.